I'm here today to make this quick little video to announce that the shop is now open. We will have the address in the description of this video, in the description of every video from now on. And then I think we're gonna try and do a business account on Instagram and try and convert it so that way the address to this place is on my Instagram, so you can just go straight to it. The way GPS takes you down the wrong road, and so we're gonna try and make a little map so that way you guys can get here a little bit easier. I just wanted to announce that it is now open as of today. As this video comes out, I'll probably have a post on Instagram that comes out a little bit before this, but it doesn't really matter. You guys can come here, you can come check out the cars, you can come hang out, buy some merch. As of right now, we only have the Dying Breed merch. Some of you guys have been asking about the Miata shirts and something else. We are working on a new Miata shirt and then also a Bozo inspired shirt. But those will be coming within the next couple of weeks, and you will be able to purchase those as well if you are interested. I just want to say that you do not need to buy a shirt to be able to come here. You can come here, you can see the cars, just hang out, whatever you want to do. I know a lot of videographers and a lot of photographers hit me up all the time to come and shoot, and I just don't have the time. So if you are interested in taking a picture of one of the cars, you can come by, we can pull the Miata out, you can take your pictures, you can post them, whatever you want. I'm really pretty open to a lot of things. I'm really open to working with a lot of people. I know a lot of YouTubers like to keep their space private. I really don't mind it. I know that there's not gonna be a ton of people that come by all the time. It's really not gonna annoy me or anything. I think it's actually really cool to have you guys come by and see the cars for yourselves. It's one thing that I really enjoy, and there's a lot of people that really like this car and want to see it, and they'll either be driving through Chicago or they're from the Chicagoland area and they just want to see the car and ask some questions and stuff, which is more than okay. And because of the lack of shows and meets that I go to, it just limits the amount of people that get to see it, who want to see it. So if you want to come by, feel free to come by. It would be smart to either contact me on Facebook Messenger, or Instagram DM, and make sure that I am here when you plan to come here. At some point, we may have some sort of meat or barbecue or something like I've had at my houses previously. You saw those always got really big and they're really fun. However, I only ever did those whenever I was moving out of that house because I didn't want my house address to be public. Now that this is a commercial address and it's not at my house, it doesn't really matter. I'd like to do at least one beat here before it starts to get a little bit colder here in Chicago. Like I said in previous videos, I will extend the offer to those of you who do purchase a shirt or have already purchased a shirt or a hat. I will give you guys a ride in the Miata. I think it'd be kind of fun. I know a lot of you guys asked me. I've been asked several times for a ride or whatever, but typically whenever I drive the thing, I'm only ever driving to or from a meet or something else, and usually I'm a little busy, but most of my friends haven't even gotten rides in this thing. Anyways, I think that about covers all of it. If there's anything else I'm missing, I'll put it in the description, or I'll put it as the first comment and I'll pin it up there. I hope you guys are pretty happy that I'm doing this. I hope a lot of you guys that are local to here come and visit, hang out, do whatever. That's gonna be it for today's video, and peace out.